Hello my beautiful friends, it's Tina here today and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you guys my favorite tips and tricks while working from home. I have worked from home about 2 months now, and at this moment everybody else is also working from home. But when I first started working from home, I felt very overwhelming and distracting to be at home. I personally prefer not to work from home. I like to be there in office. I like to be there with other people's energy. But sometimes there is no other choice. It's important to use this time wisely, still productive, and create a right mindset to create the things that you want to create in your life. If you like to know how I work from home efficiently, then please keep on watching till the end because last 2 tips are really amazing. First thing I like to do is just start my day as if I need to go to an office. Even if I know this, I'm not going anywhere at all. I would still wake up and follow the same routine I would if I need to go to an office. If I do not freshen up myself and start working right after the bed in same pajamas, then I will never feel productive and I easily get distracted from the task I need to do. For me, it's obviously following the same morning routine as I usually do. Waking up, making myself some breakfast, having it with my family, also prepare my lunch, and then obviously dressing up too. For me, it's so important to dress up. So I created this habit that just wake up and treat like as if you have to go to office. Tip number 2 is find a dedicated space where you will work from. So in your house or in your apartment, find a little spot where you can say it is office. Have ample space to spread all your thoughts. Even if you have limited space, then you can be creative, it's up to you. Little corner, all you need to mentally explain your space to work zone and work free zone. Stick to regular meal times so you don't skip any meal and starve to eat junk food. For this tip, I am already trying very hard to don't skip any meal and don't starve for any junk meal. So I generally prepare my lunch in the morning time. I know it's a bit overindulging, but it really helps. In lunch break, I don't need to make lunch at the same time. I can enjoy my lunch on time. Schedule water breaks. Fill the water in large container or bottle and keep it in your workspace. This also helps to get up and use the restroom so that you can walk maybe 200 steps a day instead of 2. When you are working on your computer or having a meeting virtually, do not keep your phone with you at that time. Do not Googling Facebook, TikTok or any other social media platform because it is the biggest distraction ever. So when you are doing a task, take a break after 25 or 30 minutes. During those 25 minutes of work, you are not distracted at all and your focus will be on your task. After 25 minutes, I take break and I can check my phone at that time. I can check my messages, I can check my Facebook notifications, even TikTok videos. When you work from home, it just looks like you are chilling, but you are not. You are actually working. So when you create that designated space or the little corner of the house and name it as office, let people know that when you are in that corner, you are not chilling, you are actually working, and you would appreciate not to distract when you are there in that corner. If I work from home and Riyansh is here, then what I do with Rajesh that we take shifts. If I am on my computer and working, then he used to take care of Riyansh and vice versa. If he is in front of computer, then I used to be with him playing together and taking care of him. So that was important thing to mention that if you are a parent and splitting the responsibility, then it is almost impossible not to get distracted. The last thing I would like to mention that it is really important to set a finish time.
Otherwise, you will keep working whole day long. Make sure you have a deadline and in that timeline only finish your work. Talk to your team that after this timeline you are not going to check work email. You are not checking your work messages. You are just living a life.
So these are my favorite tips while working from home. If you have any other ideas while working from home to stay motivated and focused, please let me know in the comment section and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.